Hey there, this is Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Spyderco Yojimbo 2 folding pocket knife. This Yojimbo 2 has been around Spyderco for some time now, and I've been looking at it and wanting to add it to my stable or my collection for some time now. And I finally just recently took the plunge and dished out the $140 asking price, and I'm very happy and satisfied with my purchase because it is a very cool Wharncliffe blade design that I'm very impressed with. Has nice G10 handle scales with a compression lock. Opens and closes very nicely. It's just a great knife. What a cool piece. It's a mid-size knife in that it comes in at 7.5 inches overall length. The blade length is 3.125 inches long with a cutting edge of 2.95 inches. The blade material is a S30V, very nice blade material. Has a great satin finish on the blade with a plain edge and the famous Spyderco opening hole that works excellently. The 4.5 inch handle length fits my large to extra large hand very well. It has a nice thumb ramp on the top of the blade that just feels great. The G10 handle material is lightly textured, has nice sculpturing and a finger guard, a big finger choil. It's an open back handle design, nice machine pillars with a stainless steel liner that has been recessed. With the compression lock, that works excellently. It's basically a liner lock that's put on the top of the handle as opposed to the bottom of the handle. Has the ability to place the carrying clip in a four-way position, right or left hand, up or down. Nice stainless steel carrying clip. The centering of the blade and the handle is excellent. Comes in at a 4-ounce weight. Has a little heft to it. It's a tactical kind of a design. And the designer is a Michael Janik. The model number is C85GP2. And, with the S30V blade material, the G10 handle, the compression lock, the Spyderco opening hole. That, some people can open it with their finger. Oh, there we go. Just a really cool knife. I'm glad I finally made the plunge and picked one up because I'm very impressed with it, and I think you would be too. Really cool Wharncliffe blade design. Okay, there it is, everybody. It is the Spyderco Yojimbo 2 folding pocket knife. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel by hitting this little button right here. And I would hope to see you come back again. All right, bye now.